context, and unboxing philosophy. Welcome back to Byte and Beats. I'm Aminul. Today we have one of the most anticipated arrivals of the year, the Softears RSV MKII. The original was a titan, a benchmark that really set the standard for natural tonality in the kilobuck range. With the Mark II, Softears is signaling a subtle refinement, not a revolution. The question we are asking today is, what kind of refinement are we paying for at this significant $700 price point? This video is just the unboxing and first impressions, a deep dive into the materials, the premium accessories, the immediate sound, and the underlying engineering that sets up our full review. Let's get straight to the table. The unboxing follows Softears' mature and elegant philosophy. It's not about excessive spectacle, it's about a compact, dark, focused presentation. Lifting the lid, we're greeted by a minimal setup. The RSV MKII shells nestled perfectly in the foam, a small cloth envelope, and a quick access card saying, "Hear the truth." That phrase, simple as it is, really encapsulates the entire brand ethos: honesty in sound reproduction. We will absolutely test that claim in a moment. Unboxing, presentation, and initial accessories. Moving past the IEMs, we find the rest of the accessories tucked away below. We get a generous assortment of high-quality ear tips, the clear UC silicone, and the black standard styles, the user manual, a cleaning tool, and importantly, 2 separate cloth pouches. These pouches are great for extra protection if you prefer to keep your IEMs loose in the case or separate them entirely from the cable. For a $700 product, this accessory suite is solid, functional, premium, but nothing extravagant. The case, the cable, and the tips. Let's focus on the core accessories, starting with this carry case. This is a robust, puck-shaped hard leather case. It feels substantial in the hand. This is protection you can truly trust for your investment. Its circular profile is slightly less pocketable than some rectangular designs, but the leather exterior adds that premium, durable touch, ensuring it lasts as long as the reference sound inside. Now, let's talk about the cable. It's not just a piece of wire, it's an active acoustic component. Softears includes a premium 6N7 cryogenically treated OFC copper cable. The cryogenic treatment is applied to optimize the conductor structure, aiming to reduce the noise flow and enhance the signal's purity. This detail confirms Softears is targeting listeners using high-resolution DAPs. The termination is the modern audiophile standard, 4.4mm balanced. This is a clear statement. The RSV MKII is designed to be driven with the balanced output of portable DAC amps and DAPs for maximum power and channel separation. They do thoughtfully include a high-quality 4.4mm to 3.5mm adapter, ensuring compatibility with all your sources, but the message is clear: balance is preferred. The cable construction feels robust, flexible, and resists unwanted handling noise well. Remember, the tips are critical. We have a good selection of tips here. We have the highly transparent, ultra-clear silicone tips, which are famous for maximizing comfort and often enhancing clarity and low-end definition due to their superior seal. The second set is the black standard style, B-type. These are typically the reference tips Softears uses during their official tuning process. For any serious listener, the importance of ear tips cannot be overstated. They fundamentally determine the seal, directly impacting both the bass response and overall clarity of the sound. Therefore, experimenting with these different materials and bore sizes is absolutely non-negotiable for unlocking the RSV Mark II's optimal sonic performance, shell design, comfort, and technical blueprint. Let's examine the IEM shells themselves. They are beautifully crafted from medical-grade resin, sculpted into an ergonomic pseudo-custom shape. This shape is critical for achieving that deep, secure seal necessary for proper bass reproduction. The faceplate is exquisite, a dark anodized CNC machined aluminum alloy with that unmistakable carbon fiber V pattern. Holding them, the build quality is undeniable. More critically, the internal architecture houses 5 balanced armature drivers and a highly complex 4-way crossover. This is the engine room responsible for Softears' celebrated driver cohesion. But what's truly fascinating is the passive pressure relief system, or PPRS. This is an internal patented design. Its inclusion is vital. BA drivers create air pressure, which is the main culprit for listening fatigue over long sessions. This PPRS actively manages that pressure, enhancing both long-term comfort and the perceived quality and depth of the all-BA bass. It's an elegant solution to a common BA problem. First, listen impressions, source synergy, and tonal balance. Time for the very first listen. I connected the RSV Mark II to my iBasso DX340, running the powerful discrete AMP16 card for a clean bassline reference. Listening to Sting's Fields of Gold, the mid-range magic is instantly apparent. Vocals are forward, dense, and intimate. The tonal balance is a beautiful neutral, warm, a welcome absence of that metallic BA harshness. Moving to the low end on James Blake's Limit to Your Love, the bass is incredibly fast and tightly controlled. This isn't a boomy, dynamic driver bass, it's an expertly textured one, confirming the efficiency of the dual-tube bass design. Up top, testing the detail with London Grammar's Missing, the treble is detailed but non-aggressive. The immediate takeaway is that this is a pure, incredibly resolving IEM. So, what is the immediate technical takeaway? The Softears RSV Mark II presents a pure, refined, mid-range-centric signature right out of the box with high-quality, controlled bass. However, its low impedance and high sensitivity make it clear this IEM is incredibly source-dependent. It is a magnifying glass. If your source has a noticeable noise floor or imperfect power delivery, the RSV Mark II will expose every flaw. This is a reference tool that demands a reference partner. My early quick tests with the Onix XM5 and the Shanling M5 Ultra already show it scales wildly differently with each source. If you want to know which DAP makes it sound the widest and which delivers the ultimate bass control, the in-depth source synergy comparison is the entire focus of the full review coming soon. That's my in-depth unboxing and first listen with the Softears RSV Mark II. My initial impressions are that Softears has successfully refined a classic, prioritizing timbral accuracy and control. If you enjoyed this level of detail, please hit the like button and don't miss the full deep dive review where we test the synergy and compare it to its fiercest rivals. Subscribe to Byte and Beats and let me know in the comments what single song best showcases mid-range richness for you. Thanks for watching.